Hi, I'm Chris Forsberg, and I've been racing and modifying Nissans for decades. I'm here today to show you just how easy it is to install this new NISMO off-road driving light kit on your Nissan Frontier. Let's get to it. This 8-pillar mount kit is a quick and easy way to attach ditch lights to your Nissan Frontier. These high-powered 4-inch lights offer a high and low beam option, stainless steel hardware, and adjustable bracketry to get your aiming just right. Install one 8-pillar bracket at a time. Open the vehicle's hood and locate the hood hinges. Remove the bolts from the hinge using a 12mm socket. Once the bolts are removed from the hood, it will be floating in the hinge. The hood should be held in place to avoid damaging any part of the vehicle. Under the hood, attach the 8-pillar bracket to the vehicle's bolts loosely. Place the light onto a soft surface to prevent any damage. Insert the 9-lock nut into the backside of the light housing. Attach the black plastic cover to hold the nut in place utilizing the smaller of the two socket head bolts. Make sure to use the shorter carriage bolts supplied with the 8-pillar brackets to ensure maximum clearance to the hood and fender. Attach the stainless bracket utilizing the larger 6mm head socket head bolts and washers. Position the light mounting bracket to allow installation of the carriage bolt, washer, and nut. Carefully open the hood and finalize the bracket position and spacing. Tighten the hardware to 9 foot-pounds. Do not over-tighten. Aim the lights to the desired angle and repeat the steps for the passenger side. Secure the relay on the driver's side of the vehicle, closest to the firewall. Locate the factory hole in the firewall behind the ECU and remove the grommet. Locate the 5-wire lead for the switch and feed it through the firewall. Locate the switch wherever you prefer. In this case, we utilize the factory accessory switch panel. Remove the lower dash panel by unscrewing the Phillips head screw by the hood latch. Gently pop the panel off. There are several clasps holding the panel in. Remove the 3 screws on the back side holding the switch panel in. Unplug any factory buttons and remove the bracket. Pop the tabs holding in the blank. Reinstall the switch panel to the lower panel and feed the wires through the opening. Plug in the switch with the wiring harness. Notice that the labels on the back side of the switch and plug in the wires accordingly. Down the left side, from 1A, 2A, and 3A is white, red, blue. Plug in the 2 remaining black wires into 1B and 3B. 2B is left disconnected. Insert the switch into the panel. Run the wiring harness to each light and connect the wires to the matching color. Ensure there is enough slack while the hood is open, but not too much so that the harness may get caught in the hinge when it's closed. Bolt the negative wire to the battery first, then the red wire to the positive side of the battery. Replace the positive side cover of the battery. Close the hood and check the lights. Switch from both high and low. Aim the light to the desired angle and repeat the steps for the passenger side. You have now completed the installation of the NISMO off-road 8-pillar ditch lights.